Good morning, dear students. Welcome to your Mount 3 Maths class. Dear kids, hope you all are fine and safe at your homes. Students, today we will write numbers from 151 to 180. 151 to 180. Dear kids, let's write the numbers 100, 1 in the box of hundreds, 50, 5 in the box of tens, and 1 in the box of ones. 151. 152, 153, 154, 155. Students, touch your writing with line. 156, 157, 158, 159, and here's the 160. 160. Now 161, 162, 163, 164, 165, 166, 167, 168, 169, and 170. 170. How many tens in 170? Students, 7 tens in 170. 171, 172, 173, 174, 175, 176, 177, 178, 179, and 180. So kids, now it's your turn to write numbers from 101 to 151 to 180 on your maths copy. Allah Hafiz.